Burial, burial, burial is my school. Best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Burial,
Queens and kings of pre-kindergarten, how are you today? I know and I'm sure that you are fine today, still staying safe at home. Okay, it's another fun time. Wow. The topic for today is subtraction of money on the subject number work. Remember, last time we talked about money and conversion of money. Today, we'll be looking at subtraction of money. Okay, before we proceed, let's take a quick review again of the previous lesson. Remember, we define money as anything that is generally accepted for exchange of goods and services. And we also looked at various currencies in Nigeria, okay? And we looked at the denominations as well. Could you remember that we also learned how to convert Naira to Kobo and Kobo to Naira? Now today, we'll be looking at subtraction of money, like I said earlier. Now let me remind you again. Subtraction means taking away smaller number from bigger number. Subtraction means taking away smaller number from bigger number. So we are going to subtract money in Kobo and in Naira. Okay. Okay, on the board here, some money is being displayed for us to subtract. Okay, remember, subtraction means to take away. Okay, now, before we proceed, can you still remember the sign? Okay, that is the subtraction sign. But you can still call it minus sign, to take away. This is the sign. And how about this symbol? This is your Naira symbol, and this is your Kobo symbol. Alright, having known that, now let us subtract this money. Okay, on the board here, number 1 says 5 Naira minus 3 Naira. You're going to take away 3 Naira from 5 Naira. So what do? You first and foremost count the bigger number, 5, with your strokes. Okay, let's take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take away what? 3 Naira from your 5 Naira. Okay, count it to the left. Take it away to the left. 1, 2, 3. And you count the remaining answer to the right. 1, 2. So what is your remaining money? It's 2 Naira. That was beautiful. Remember, this is your sign of equality. Your sign of equality. So the answer is 2 Naira. Move over to number 2. They say 8 Naira minus 4 Naira. So what you do first, follow the same method. You count 8, your bigger number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You take away the smaller number, that is the number under 8, that is 4. You count it to your what? To your left with your strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're supposed to count 8. Alright, so that was a mistake. We repeated 5 instead of 8. Okay, let's take it again. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that complete? Alright. You should always be there to know it. Alright, so we should take away what? 4 to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you count your remaining answer to your right. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's your answer? Your answer is 4 Naira. So when you take away 4 Naira from 8 Naira, what will you have? It will be 4 Naira. That was beautiful enough. Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay, now number 3 here says 10 Naira, take away 5 Naira. Alright, what should I do? Can you tell me? I should count 10. Alright, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've counted 10, so what should I do again? Okay, I should take away 5. Alright, I take away 5 to my left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and what should I do again? I should count my remaining answer to the right hand, sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, my answer there is 5 naira. So when I take away 5 naira from 10 naira, my answer will be 5 naira. So 5 naira will remain for me. Okay, number 4 here says 7 kobo, take away 5 kobo. Alright, 7 kobo minus 5 kobo. This is your minus sign, your subtraction sign, your take away sign. Okay, this is the symbol of kobo. That one was in naira. The other ones we did was in naira. So this one here is in kobo. Remember, this is your symbol. Okay, the symbol for kobo is K. Alright, now number 4. It says 7 kobo, take away 5 kobo. Alright, we are going to count 7 kobo here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you confirm that before we make a mistake again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, that was correct. So we're going to take away 5 from 7. Count your answer to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count the number 5 from 7 to the left, and then you count the remaining answer to your right. 1, 2. Okay? My answer here is 2 kobo. Like I told you earlier, that when you're writing naira, as in for instance, you have 10 naira, you first and foremost write the symbol of naira before the number, for the amount of that money. Okay, while writing kobo, the number comes first, thereafter your symbol K. Alright, for number 5 here, it's 11 naira, take away 10, 11 kobo, sorry, take away 10 kobo. Alright, let's count 11 kobo. Count with me. Alright, 1, next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, we asked to take away 10 from 11. 10 kobo from 11 kobo. Alright, we'll count 10 to our left hand. Take away 10 kobo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to count the remaining stroke to our right hand, because the remaining stroke will be our answer. 1. Wow, the money will remain only 1 kobo. Alright, this is beautiful enough. So looking at it again, I told you that subtraction means to take away. We had different types of money displayed on the board, and for us to take away some amount of money from a given money. So now, number 1 was 5 naira, take away 3 naira, and our answer was just 2 naira. That's 2 naira is our remaining money out of 5 naira that we had. We took away 3 naira, so 2 naira remained for us. Okay, number 2 said 8 naira minus 4 naira. So we counted 8 naira and we took away 4 naira. Then we had 4 naira left as our balance. That is our change, the remaining money. Okay, number 3 said 10 naira minus 5 naira. So we counted 10 and we took away 5 naira and realized that our remaining change, that is our balance, was 5 naira. And number 4 here said 7 kobo minus 5 kobo. We counted 7 kobo out and also took away 5 kobo from that 7 kobo and realized that our remaining money was just 2 kobo. So when you take away 7 kobo, when you take away 5 kobo from 7 kobo, your money will be only 2 naira. And lastly, we had 11 kobo, and we're asked to take away 10 kobo from this 11 kobo. What we did here is that we counted 11 kobo out with our strokes, and then we took away 10 kobo, moving the strokes to our left hand. And when we stopped at 10, we realized that the only answer which went to our right hand was just 1 stroke, which was our 1 kobo. That was our answer. Okay? Do you understand that? Do you understand it? I know you did it in addition perfectly, and so you also do it in kobo perfectly. So having known that, let me give you something to do for me. Okay, your home exercise is on the board. It says subtract those small amounts of money. Subtract this amount of money correctly. So you're going to subtract. You're going to take away 3 from 6 and give me the answer down here in this box. Okay, you take away 11 from 12. 11 naira from 12 naira. And here you take away 10 naira from 14 naira. And number 4, you take away 5 naira from 5 kobo, from 8 kobo. Remember, when you are taking away, bring down your symbol. If it is naira, you bring naira down here. If it is kobo, you bring it down here. Okay? Now, lastly, 9 kobo, take away 5 kobo. You're going to take away 5 kobo from 9 kobo and write your answer here and then your symbol here. Okay? Make sure you use your strokes and count it perfectly. Don't make any mistake. When you realize there's a mistake, hastily correct yourself and give me the correct answer. You're going to do that with your best handwriting in your exercise book and still remain a lovely and wonderful pre-kindergarten baby. Alright, thanks and bye for now.